All right, I think we're good. So here we go. We're gonna do 2016 Panini Absolute full case. Here we go. Thanks for joining. We're gonna have playbook next week. We're still trying to fill the flawless. We might have to look at another avenue for that. It just not selling like we wanted to. But we'll have the new playbook next week. How many you guys see? There we go. Full box, full case. Here we go. Good luck. Yeah. 2 people. It's the lowest we've ever had in a room. And we had like 100 emails asking us when this break was going to be. Their loss. Actually, a nice little box. Oh, no kidding. Awesome. Well, thank you guys for getting in. Are you guys part of our Facebook group? If not, go to our website. It's on there. For the Cardinals, Larry Fitzgerald. Yeah, get up there. We're going to start doing more up there. Base, Chargers, Phillip Rivers. We shipped them.
No, I mean, what did you do as far as packaging? Did you sleeve them?
Yeah, just leave for now.
You sleeved them?
I did not. Oh. Not the base.
Okay.
Adam Vinatieri for the Colts.
That's cool.
Yeah, we've been lagging a little bit and getting our breaks out, but we're going to get a lot more going here soon. For the Ravens, Chris Moore. Jersey ball patch. It's $44.75 out of $4.99. We have another 5 box of this that we'll get up as well. And 12 out of 25, Mark Ingram for the Saints. And for Tampa, Jameis Winston. And for the Colts, Frank Gore. For the Redskins, John Riggins, $242 out of $4.99. And for the Titans, that's pretty cool. I think that's part of his helmet. Tools of the Trade, Marcus Mariota, 13 out of 15. Some whiting, or some silvering here. Not bad. Little panini chips there. But yeah, it looks like glove, jersey, sock or something, and then helmet. That's it for the Titans. You can see that corner is a little nicked up. Good old Panini. And for the Browns, Emmanuel Ogbah, 1 of 1. What a 1 of 1 to pull. Case hit right there. Emmanuel Ogbah. For the Oakland Raiders, Amari Cooper. For the Green Bay Packers, this one's chewed up too in the corner, Clay Matthews. For the Redskins, Keith Marshall, 409 out of 499. They love their Browns, that's for sure. For the Steelers, Sammy Coates, 123 out of 199. Jersey relic there. And for the Denver Broncos, 6 of 20, absolute ink, Devontae Booker. Nice hit there for the Broncos. Box number 2. Yeah, Booker's a DB. I agree, man, but these guys just don't. I get they sign a ton, I mean, but still, they look good. Blake Bortles for the Jaguars. Frank Gore for the Colts. Or just make the pack thicker. Rookie Roundup for the Chargers, Joey Bosa. The new Bowman Chrome for baseball. The vending boxes, those are so nice. 4 packs, boom, thick. And for the Dolphins, Kenyon Drake, 99 of 499. Jersey ball jersey. Sounds like my kids are coming through the floor. For the San Francisco 49ers, 9 of 25, Jerry Rice. For the Dolphins, Jay Ajayi. And for Tampa, hold on, we're frozen again. Hold up, guys, we're frozen. There we go. Yep. See you, buddy. Jameis Winston. See you, buddy. It's going in and out still on our end. Hold on. There we go. Keanu Neal, 125 out of 499 for the Falcons. For the Browns again, Duke Johnson, 27 out of 50. Jersey. For the Cardinals, wow, this is really cool. 10 of 50, David Johnson. Jersey ball. I like his signature. That's a really cool signature. For the Packers, Aaron Rodgers, Justin Forsett, base. For the Falcons, 393 out of 499. Work done. Still early, guys. Look at all the boxes we still have left. For the Eagles, 81 out of 99. Carson Wentz. See the little fabrics coming out there. Carson Wentz for the Eagles. This could be a cool card too for the Bills. Jim Kelly. Look at that. 6 of 30. Jersey auto. It's a really cool card. I think the Buffalo went for cheap too. Give me 1 sec, guys. Sorry, just give me 1 sec. People don't read the auctions. Okay. Yeah, I mean, that's one good thing they did about these. They did add a lot of vets. So some of the teams that don't get a lot of hits, you can still get pulls. Oh, trust me, don't even get me started with some of the questions we get. Andy Dalton, Matt Jones, base. We had one guy put in a claim with eBay, Eric Berry, because he didn't understand what the break was. He asked if we were out of product and that's why he didn't get anything. And I had to explain it to him, and then he opened up a case with eBay. He didn't win, but for the Raiders, 255 out of 499, Connor Cook. Jersey, ball, jersey. There you go. BJW. You like that card, don't you? That autograph? Look at this. Oh, Jim Kelly. 62 of 100. I see what you did there. Marshawn Lynch, Jeremy Maclin. I think this is the first hit for you two in the room. Malcolm Mitchell, 482 out of 499. The serial numbers I did give sleeves. Or,
Yeah,
top
okay,
loaders.
Cool.
Yeah. Sorry. Derrick Henry, 2 of 5. Tell me why this is 2 of 5. That is the smallest patch. 2 of 5. Little corner dick ding here. Corner corner ding there. You can see that. 2 of 5. They were sold on our Facebook page. So, Brandon Dowdy, 128 out of 250. Yeah, go to our website. There's a link there to join our Facebook page. We're going to be trying to get off of eBay, get more serious breakers, and we can have better pricing there and leave the chance out of it for you guys. We got Greg Olson for the Panthers. Tyrod Taylor for the Bills. And Kevin Green, 20 out of 499 for the Panthers. And for the Cardinals, Robert Mdikichi, 213 out of 250. MDK. Nice hit there. And dual jerseys, 144 out of 149, Jameis Winston and Austin Seferian-Jenkins. Dual jersey for the Buccaneers. Sorry. Next box. Yep. Box 4. For the Chargers, Melvin Gordon. For the Broncos, C.J. Anderson. And 124 out of 499, Carl Joseph for the Raiders.
Nice.
Carl Joseph. That your boy?
Sure.
Jerron Reed. 2 out of 150, Seattle Seahawks. And for the Vikings, Mobo jersey. Uh-oh. We freeze up again? We did. Breakers is struggling tonight. That's probably why nobody's on. I'm just going to leave this here for right now. There we go. Mobo. Obviously, it has to be why nobody's on. Alright, we got 2 packs. Once it stops freezing, I'll get going again. Let's turn it on. Alright. Ryan Matthews, T.Y. Hilton. For the Bears, Kyle Long.
Really?
What do you mean 3 putts?
You know the golfers. Just
For the Bills again, Cardell Jones, 224 out of 499. The 3 putts. Breakers is really struggling tonight, so. I know, right? Hey, the golfers, they're gamblers, man.
shit, that should be
Clay Matthews, 16 at 100. Packers. That would be funny. I do have another idea for that, too, though. Yeah, no. I don't have any friends. I have to pay you to be my friend. Ooh, this is a super thick card. Let's see what we got. Wow, it's like 2 teams are hitting tonight. For the Rams, Tavon Austin. For the Packers, Eddie Lacy. Yeah, you picked the wrong teams tonight. For the Vikings, 362 out of 499, Carl Eller. For the Lions, Jake Rudock, 206 out of 250. And for the Cardinals, 45 out of 99, Larry Fitzgerald. It's like a seam of the ball in there. That's a cool card. I mean, Cardinals have made out big. That was one of our cheapest teams today. Raiders, Khalil Mack. Colts, Frank Gore. Hey, we do well when people ask for players. Devontae Fuller, 433 out of 499, Falcons. What's up, Demas? Demarius Robinson, 237 out of 250. D-Rob. You like that logo, BJW? And for the Saints, Michael Thomas, 33 out of 99. I mean, he just writes D-Rob. Yeah, better than CC. Oh, went the wrong way here. Hang on. 95 out of 100, Eli Apple for the Giants. For the Packers, Aaron Rodgers. And for the Browns, Joe Thomas. Yeah. Is that your first Giant? We'll get you a Giant, don't worry. For the Jets, Eric Decker. NFL Men's Lifestyle.
What? Is that a hair jump card?
I mean, look at this doucher smile.
Oh my god.
Look at this. Hey. I think there's dandruff on the shirt. Yeah, exactly. It's a piece of his boxers. For the Jets. That's ours. And for the Rams, 49 out of 499, Farrell Cooper. There you go. Now you're on to something. You could do a lot of things with that, BJ. Two more thick ones. Ooh, we got a cool one coming up. Redskins, Kirk Cousins. Dolphins, Jarvis Landry. And for the Cardinals again, 196 out of 499, Kurt Warner. For the Chiefs, look at this. Awesome. 8 of 10. Jersey, Joe Montana. That is a hit. For the Chiefs. Congrats, Chiefs.
Montana or Montana?
Joe Montana.
Nice.
And follow that up with Amir Abdullah. 95 out of 99. Yeah, Chiefs always go cheap. Which is surprising because they do. I mean, you got a couple decent rookies this year. You got Kevin Hogan. You got Demarcus Robinson. I think they were a Facebook page too.
Yes.
All right, here we go. Box 5 or 6. I'm sorry. I'm gonna go ahead and pass on that Andy Reid card. Oh, here we go. Ezekiel Elliott, die cut for the Cowboys, and then you got Dez Bryant for the Cowboys. And here is our glass card. It is going to here we go, ready, and it's freezing. There you go. Marcus Mariota glass card. There you go. One per case. Congrats to the Titans. Breakers is freezing, so I'm going to wait a sec again. We're going to have to switch sides. This is ridiculous. Yeah, I don't think any of them are released yet. For the Packers, Trevor Davis, 67 out of 499. Yeah, I don't think anybody's, or they have yet been redeemed yet. $83 out of 100 for the Steelers, Ben Roethlisberger. There you go for the Patriots, Tom Brady. For the Broncos, Von Miller. For the Bears, Brian Urlacher, 176 out of 499. For the Saints, Von Bell, 144 out of 250. I think it's safe to say that case hit was the Joe Montana. Or the Samir Abdullah, another one, 58 out of 99.
Nice.
And that's it. Last pack. 4 more boxes to go. Get on our Facebook page. We're going to have Playbook next week. 2016 Playbook. And we have 5 boxes left of the Absolute that we'll do. Panthers, Cam Newton. Steelers, Ben Roethlisberger. Jacoby Brissett, 163 out of 499. There you go, Patriots. Yeah, it's too late to get 10. And for the Packers, 12 of 25, Trevor Davis, 2-color patch for the Packers. A couple teams are cleaning up. Packers, Arizona, Tennessee. Throw this in there. 15 of 25, Kevin Hogan. Absolute Inc. Chiefs now. Yeah, Chiefs got him, Robinson, Joe Montana. We'll get all these out tonight, guys. We're still trying to fill that flawless player break. If you guys have gotten in, we're going to give it another week or so. If it doesn't fill up, we'll refund it and we'll look for something else to do with it. It's a shame. Those are good times, but just not selling for whatever reason. We would do teams, but they're usually too steep for everybody, price-wise. Maybe we can give it another try, but I have a bunch of. You looking for super big cards?
Yeah.
Over there.
I stripped them.
All of them?
Yeah.
For the Chiefs, Jerry Maclin, Andrew Luck, Jordan Payton, 373 out of 499. Oh yeah, I mean, hey, we could do that too, but problem with that is we need to charge about $50 a spot for the flawless. Leonte Carew for the Dolphins for like 1 box of flawless. We'd have to do. I think was that. Am I doing the right math? No, we can do $125 a spot. I mean, if we get 10 people to do it, we'd love to do it. For the Seahawks, this is cool. 16 to 80, Steve Largent.
Yeah, that's all right.
I mean, BJ, if you know people who want to buy 1 spot of a flawless, and we'll do a random hit. There's 10 cards in a flawless box. We'll be more than happy to do it. Hit us up on the side if you know people. Yeah, that was an auto. The Largent? It's an auto. Oh, you were saying that is an auto. Yeah. Well, he's an old school guy. All right, for the Vikings, Stephon Diggs. For the Panthers, Greg Olsen. For the Bills, Bruce Smith, 327 out of 499. For the Jets, Team Tandems, 110 out of 149. Brandon Marshall, Eric Decker.
Nice. Makes up for the other one. Nice.
William Jackson III for the Bengals. 97 out of 150. Assume you don't like that autograph. What do you think of Marcus Mariota's autograph? Strange, but I kind of like it. Huh. Steelers, Antonio Brown. Jay Cutler. Bears. Looks like we got a big random here. It's nothing big. Quads, Ezekiel Elliott, Devontae Booker, Kenyon Dixon, Derrick Henry. That's a four-way. I'm not going to totally randomize this. We can, we'll see who's got, I think one guy's got a couple of these teams, so we'll take a look. If we have to randomize it, we will. And looks like we got a redemption here. Here it is. For the Cowboys. Rookie Premier Materials Autograph Dak Prescott. Nice hit for the Cowboys. Yeah, buddy, Demas.
You have Denver. If he has Denver.
You don't have Denver or Baltimore on that? Well, you just got a Dak, too. So, Jalen Ramsey, 3 of 100. Okay. I mean, it's not a really valuable card, but we can roll the dice or something on it. You've had some good hits, Demas. Roll it. All right. I'll do it at the end. I think I have a 12-sided die, and we'll just do 3s. J.J. Watt. Phillip Rivers. Breakers. Joe Namath, 374 out of 499.
Bent over, man. One of us included.
This is the worst I've seen breakers.
Hey, yo, breakers.
For the Redskins, Team Tandems, 119 out of 149. Jamison Crowder, Matt Jones. And for the Redskins again, next card, Kendall Fuller, 40 out of 250. Autograph rookie. Couple hits there for the Redskins. We have Matthew Stafford for the Lions. Melvin Gordon for the Chargers. Braxton Miller for the Houston Texans. I have another redemption for Minnesota Vikings. Laquan Treadwell.
Laquan?
Rookie Premier Materials autograph. And we got one of these. We haven't got one of these yet. Kenny Clark for the Green Bay Packers. Cyan plate. Looks like somebody tried to take a couple bite marks out of this thing. Anyway. That's pretty cool. Yeah. I don't know if you can send this video to Panini. You can't really pick it up on the camera. But those are too dense in the thing. I mean, it could be from them stamping or whatnot, but Green Bay Packers. Last pack, box 8. 2 more to go. Saints, Braden. What the? Panini ran out of golds. They couldn't finish Braden's name. For the older people in the room, this is like the Vince Coleman no name from Upper Deck, 1989. See that? Braden Koo.
Oh,
Remember?
the Derek Coleman.
Derek Coleman.
From the New Jersey Nets.
No, this is baseball. This is Vince Coleman
Oh, really?
from the Reds. Yeah, Upper Deck.
What was
He
Derek?
had no name.
What was Derek Coleman's? Did he have one too?
I don't remember basketball from that long ago. Green Bay Packers, Clay Matthews. Yeah.
Some
Falcons,
it's on tape.
Austin Hooper, 382 out of 499.
Baller. The internet must be true.
TJ Yeldon for the Jacksonville Jaguars, 150 out of 199. The smallest relic out there. And for the Texans, Will Fuller, 16 out of 99. BJ's favorite autograph. Will Fuller, Houston. Yeah, all right. There's a reason I'm keeping all these boxes, by the way.
Survivalist.
Yeah.
That's what you're trying to run survival.
Or they did and they just didn't pay attention. I mean, when I bought my house, I didn't have to sign anything. It was all digital. You can refinance from your couch right now. Yeah. Marcus Mariota. RG3.
Oh, big hit.
Yep. Take back that Joe Montana. That was a big hit right there. Greg Olsen for the Panthers. Red Zone. That's true. Here you go. For the Giants. $4.99 on a $4.99. Last one stamped. Sterling Shepard. Jersey ball jersey. Yeah, it looks like a seam hole right there. Yeah, we'll probably just keep this one, BJ. Yeah, he is. I got him on my fantasy team. Everybody wants him. Des Bryant. 29 of 100. Huh? Direct deposit, Demon? I mean, probably for one of the best teams in the league, Jeremy Langford, the Bears. Oh, never mind. Casey Keenum for the Rams. Got it.
Wait, this that?
And for the Raiders, 474 out of 499, Tim Brown.
Fantasy team.
That's dating you. Braden Cooks, 35 out of 50. They were able to finish the Cooks in this auto, or in this card. BJ, I mean, this could be your autograph, BJ. Look at that. I could make a J out of that. Can somebody give me an update on what AJ Green's doing right now? Okay, we already pulled this card. 112 out of 149, Jameis Winston. Austin Safarian. Well, maybe you can get into the counterfeiting of signed cards. Dion Lewis. Yeah, when we went live, he had like 123 and a TD. I just traded for him, and I started him today. Steve Smith for the Ravens.
22.
He's got 22 points.
22.6 to be exact.
All right, I'll take that.
Yeah.
For the Jaguars, 456 out of 499, Braden Allen.
Oh man, we got a Dean Lewis too.
He's got 166 yards now. Oh, here he is. Glenn Gronkowski, 77 out of 250. What do you make of that, BJ? I think we're going to sign you up for PSA DNA. You can authenticate autographs. And for the Rams, Todd Gurley, 16 out of 199.
It's amazing that this guy's playing cards anytime you know.
I know, right?
Just because it's the Gronkowski.
Yeah, they're a nasty family, that's for sure. All right, last box. We need a Patriot for your buddy sports card. I think Demas is hit. I don't know if Big Daddy's got anything in this. Yeah, which it should be. It shouldn't be in a hobby box. I mean, that's crap. All right, last box. Here we go. Let's get some good magic. And I mean, I like this product. I think it's really cool, but I think they have too many redemptions as well. Amir Abdullah. Colin Kaepernick. Hold on, we're going to go ahead and put this one down here while he takes a knee. There we go. Uh-oh. Breakers. No golf autos. Jalen Smith, 418 out of 499. Uh-oh. I have 3 packs to go, Breakers. Come on. Kenny Lawler, 151 out of 299 for the Seahawks.
I would have thought that Prescott was signed stuff. He was a pretty, regardless of Dallas, I thought he was on that pick. Prescott didn't, but Glenn Gronkowski did.
Another hit for the Titans. These little patches, 144 out of 199. That's 2 like Mariotas, isn't it? And the clear cut was Mariota. Terrible ding in this one, Demas.
Yeah, Derrick Henry.
Yeah. You can see that white chip there.
Can you Mulder?
2 packs. Patriots are tough in this stuff, you know. You either get a really big hit or you don't get hit. All right. Demarius Thomas, Zach Ertz, base. Eric Berry, Chiefs. For the Texans, nice break for the Texans. Will Fuller, 214 out of 499. Casey Keenum, 13 at 25. It's a hot card. Coming in hot. All right, last pack, guys. Thanks for joining. Please sign up for our Facebook. Demas can tell you he bought a bunch from us. He's a member now, so we'll be doing a lot more breaks via Facebook than we will eBay. We'll keep some going on eBay just to get more customers, but please join up. We like having you guys. Travis Benjamin, Chargers. Doug Martin, Buccaneers. Yeah, Fuller's going to be a good deal. Bob Greasy, 370 out of 499. We have another redemption. So I'm going to guess Kevin Hogan. Ooh. This is cool. Eric Dickerson and Todd Gurley, Iconic Ink Duel. This has been a really nice case. I know it's been one-sided, but... Alright, Demas. We'll hit you up on the side, Demas.
Too personal.
This is really cool. I want to see what this card looks like. That's a cool card. That's better than a Jared Goff, in my opinion. Team tandems. We got this card before. 11 out of 25. Jamison Crowder, Matt Jones. You got the Rams, Chad? Yeah. I mean, nice hit for the... If you happen to remember, when you get that card, if you end up keeping it, send us a photo of it. All right, that'll do it for the break. Appreciate you guys getting in. And we'll catch you in the next break. Thanks, guys.